Hello everyone, this is Deep, and welcome to a new video on Business Central for warehouse management. Today I'm going to show you how you can create warehouse receipts in Business Central. Warehouse receipts, as we know, is very important to verify ownership of any items or goods in a specific warehouse, but also to check the quantity and the quality of the stored materials. Now, let's go ahead and do this process. First, what you're going to do is going to search for warehouse receipt up here. Here we go. It is a list view that we need to open, and it's very straightforward. You will see up here we've got the new button that you can click, and then it will open up this window where you can add all of your details to create a new warehouse receipt. So we're going to add a number here, or if you want, you can leave it blank and the system will add it automatically. So let's go straight ahead and choose the location code. So let's say we are going to select the East warehouse. And as you can see, the number here has automatically been added. Then you will have other information there that you can choose to modify, like the posting date, the vendor shipment number, the assigned user ID. You also have the date and the time, which will be automatically added once you put in the assigned user ID, and then the sorting method. You can choose between those options if you want to. For right now, I'm just going to leave it blank. Now, obviously, at the bottom right here, where we usually input the lines, you will see right now there's nothing to be shown because the way that a warehouse receipt works is very different. The way that we are going to add the lines here is if we already have a purchase order that has been created with the correct location code for a specific item. And how we are going to know about that is we come up here and we can click on prepare, and then we can click on get source documents. And this will open up this small window where you can have access to all of the purchase orders that has been created with this location code is that we have right now. And then you can go ahead and choose which of these purchase orders that you want to add to this specific warehouse receipt, and you can click on OK, and you will see down here at the bottom it has already added the details for that specific purchase order, and you got all the information here. Now, if you want to add other purchase orders attached to the same warehouse receipt, you can click on the Get Source Documents again and select from the list here again. Now, very important for you to know, as I said, the location code is very important. So it must be the same on your purchase order, but also on the warehouse receipt that you are creating here, so that you get access to the list of goods that are in the same location. And once you've done that, you can click on home and you can click on the post receipt to post it once you are satisfied with the final information that is present in the receipt. So there you have it, guys. Very quick video, but also very easy and straightforward. As you can see with Business Central, you can do your warehouse receipt very quickly and efficiently. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.